Well, it's Thanksgiving Day. The snowstorm that I talked about last videos came and went. We didn't get hit too hard here, about 4 or 5 inches, but it's enough. There's there's snow on all the corn. As you can see, we actually came up to one of our rented places and tried to go, and we managed to. It didn't work. The combine is clear full of snow. It's in the shop. It's going to take a day or two to melt out. So we're done. And we wouldn't even tried to go if it hadn't been the predictions. They're predicting a new snowstorm coming in tomorrow night, which is Friday night here. They're predicting 9 to 12 inches for us. So that's not good, but again, like I said before, you can't change Mother Nature, can't control it. So, we came up, we tried to go and it didn't work, so we're at the tractor. I'm going to go home. We already sent the truck out we managed to get 500 bushel off, but that's a far cry from what's here. So hopefully we can get it all. Hopefully I don't know, they're predicting, like I said, a foot of snow, and then the worst part is then they're not predicting any cold after it. I mean, 32 degrees, you need about 10 degree weather to be able to pick in a foot of snow. So either the snow's got to go away or the wet temperature's got to drop into where we can run again. So, well, we'll see. Thanks for watching. Well, it's the day after Thanksgiving. We're out drying the grain we brought in from the field yesterday. We managed to get 500 bushel out of that field that I had a video of earlier, and before the combine iced up on us, there just was too much snow, and it's too warm. It's 30 degrees. It's just too warm. So we went to another field we had that was further south of where we were, and from the road it looked like the cobs and the stalks were pretty clean of snow. But one pass around the field and we knew that wasn't the case. So we were able to get about 350 bushel out of that field. We pulled the pulp and said we can't do it. So they're still predicting a foot of snow for tomorrow, which, it's going to be what it's going to be. But you can see the dryer just basically started burning here a few minutes ago. We got a good steam cloud going on. It's humid, so it doesn't take a lot to make a really nice steam cloud. So I hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving. We'll get back at this. It's probably going to be next weekend before we're going to be able to get back at it. It's going to be probably a lot of night combining to be able to have cold temperatures so the snow will go through the machine. So not really looking forward to working all night, but you got to do what you got to do because you got to get the crop out and move on to 2020. Thanks for watching. Well, hello everyone. This is the Sunday of Thanksgiving weekend. Started snowing on us really Friday night. I don't know if you can tell there. It's a drift up against the barn doors when I opened it, but we got a foot of snow, and it's still snowing. You can see the semi just covered. This is gonna take a while, and we still got 90 acres of corn out in this crap too, and if it wasn't for the corn in the field, this doesn't bother me, really, not at all. But we're not done with harvest. It's one of them years. But I got the skid steer sitting here running, warming up. Got a nice snow bucket. Got the snow plows parked in here. I got everything ready, fueled up, ready to go. I hope that was just going to hold the snow off, and no such luck. So I'm going to start plowing. It's going to take hours and hours. I think I already shoveled for a half hour just to get out of the house. Thanks for watching. So, pretty much done plowing for the evening. Actually, I still have several hours of plowing to do, but it's just going to have to wait till tomorrow. I don't know if you can tell, we got it pretty much the yard plowed out. All we got left to do is out by the grain bin site. We still got 90 acres of corn to dry, but this is the snow in just the front yard. That pile there is probably 8 to 10 feet tall, and same with this one. And I know that one over there by the semi, that's a good 10 feet tall. Yeah, I started plowing at 12:30, and I think I finished all this, the driveway, quarter mile. We got a driveway that's quarter mile long. Got the driveway finished, and just the main yard by the buildings plowed out. It took, I finished about 4:30. Still have about an hour or two of plowing to do out by the grain bin site. And then all the additional joy is now we have to load the skid steer up and haul it to all the field entrances to be able to get into all these. We got 3 fields left to do, and two of them are on major highways that we have to get it off the road with the truck. So we got to haul the skid steer there to open up the field entrances. And it's supposed to be 5 degrees tonight. It's woohoo! Nice and chilly. But that's what we're going to need. We're not going to harvest tonight, but that's what we need to harvest the corn for now on is cool temperatures. I think 20 degrees and colder. I don't think 20 degrees and sunshine is what we need either. But some warm weather to melt the snow would be nice, but I don't really see that in the forecast either. See you later.